Alright, let's cut to the chase. ChatGPT can write decent words, but most of the time it still sounds like it's been to one too many corporate offsites. If your AI-generated content feels robotic, and let's face it, it probably does, today I'm going to show you how to humanize it, even if your personal writing style isn't exactly poetry. Here's the truth. Generic AI content is everywhere, but what stands out is what sounds real, relatable, and unmistakably you. Your audience wants honesty, warmth, and a little imperfection. They want to hear from a human, not a stiff press release. So let's teach ChatGPT to speak human, even if it's technically still a robot. Prime ChatGPT with clear instructions. First things first. ChatGPT's default tone: polite, safe, and forgettable. So, head over to Settings. Then click on Custom Instruction and paste this in. Write like a human. Keep it professional but conversational. Don't use M-dashes or corporate buzzwords like streamlined. Avoid sounding like a press release. Keep it clear, direct, and natural, as if you're talking to a smart friend. Use quick and clever humor when appropriate. This is simple, direct, and it sets ChatGPT on the right track from the start. Edit like a human. Even with a great prompt, ChatGPT's first draft can still sound like it was written by a PR intern stuck in 2005. Here's your fix. Kill the M-dashes. Replace them with N-dashes for breathing space. Purge buzzwords. Words like unlock, empower, or groundbreaking belong in a startup pitch deck, not your real talk. Trim the filler. Keep sentences under 20 words. If you're gasping for air, so is your reader. Add a personal touch, even if it's just a one-liner. Last week, I spilled coffee on my keyboard, but here's what I learned. Proofread in 3 rounds. Grammar first, tone second, flow third. And run it through AI detectors like GPT-0. If it's still reading like a corporate memo about making a sandwich, go back and tweak. Let me give you a real-world example. A creator made a 10-minute video about NYC's Lower East Side. All AI-generated script and voiceover. But what saved it? Human B-roll footage. Coffee shops, murals, people just living their lives. Lesson: human touches. Your face, your voice, your quirks. Weave the AI elements into something real and memorable. Imperfection is your edge. Stephen Bartlett said it best. If AI improves your grammar, but destroys your authenticity, you're better off without it. So embrace your human quirks. A stray typo, a rambling aside. That's what makes you relatable. Polish what you have to, but never trade your soul for spotless grammar. Keep humanizing your content. Here's your weekly and monthly rhythm. Weekly, run your drafts through an AI detector. Spot the generic fluff before it spots you. Monthly, check your tone. Does it still sound like you, or has it morphed into LinkedIn babble? Poll your audience. Ask, does this sound like me or a robot? So, next time, ChatGPT hands you a script that sounds like it's been blessed by every HR department on Earth, don't just accept it. Edit, tweak, and make it yours. If you're ready to level up your AI-powered writing, subscribe for more. Drop me a comment below. What's the next AI topic you'd love to tackle? Or the most cringe buzzword you want to bury? And don't miss my video on how to make that human-sounding content actually rank, because good writing only matters if people see it. I'll catch you there.